What is going on, guys? Okay, if you follow the channel, you know we have talked a lot about the iPhone keyboard and how it is very inconsistent, and even though it's improved, it is still definitely not 100% accurate in any aspect of what you do. It's a core system feature, and I'm really not sure what's going on with this keyboard at this point. Obviously, Apple's autocorrect is always aiming to help you when you're typing a message, but again, it's by no means perfect, and sometimes its replacement words skew what you really want and definitely has been frustrating. Fortunately, though, there's one aspect we didn't talk about here, and that's that it lets you have a feature called text replacement that'll let you specify what word or phrase replaces a specific text you type in. You might not even know about this. You might not have even ever tried to set it up in the past. So I want to show you how easy it is to set up text replacement on your phone to hopefully help correct some of the grammatical errors that have really been popping up all the time now. And yeah, it's kind of crazy. So if you jump into settings, general, and then scroll down to where you see keyboard, there is a field right on top here called text replacements. When you jump in here, you can see there's a couple set up by default or ones you can add, as far as when you type in OMW, it will always autocorrect to on my way. So if you do OMW, you can see how it gives you the option to simply select on my way, and this will actually help you speed up your texting and get the exact wordage that you need. Now, as you can also see, you can have some fun, cool ones like Vulcan. If you type that in, it will give you the actual Star Trek symbol. So let's go ahead and go to Notes. And as you can see, here is my keyboard test that we've been running. If you type in Vulcan, you can see exactly how that fixes it. OMW, again, on my way. So it is really that simple, and you can now add as many as you want. You can replace ones if you don't need them anymore. So I think this is definitely a good fix. So let's put got 'em down there. Okay, so now you can see when you put got 'em, got them is what will autocorrect. So if we go into our keyboard, got 'em, you can see you can autocorrect right there to got them. It's super easy to do, and it takes just a few minutes of your time. And if you want it as well, this will apply to your Mac also. On your Mac, all you're going to do is go to System Settings and scroll to Keyboard again, and then kind of how we did it here, you will look for under Text Input, Text Replacements, and you'll add it the same way there. You will also be able to use this across devices, so you don't have to set it up on an iPhone 17 Pro Max, then on your Air, then on your Mac. It will continue to work across platforms. So while this trick is very short and easy, it is something I recommend setting up, at least until that Gemini-backed Siri gets smarter and hopefully helps with the keyboard, because on Android devices, those keyboards are far, far, far better than the ones we have in iOS. I'm shocked they're so bad, but here we are, and I just wanted to throw this short video together to hopefully help you guys out. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If it helps you, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We will catch you in the next one. Peace.